Stop spending time and money on low quality and expensive homebrew tabletop RPG adventures. This is Arkhaane for you, the upcoming content sharing platform for novels and homebrew tabletop RPG materials that gives you unlimited access to an extensive library of content with a low and fixed monthly subscription, and also gives you the opportunity to directly support the best creators around. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Pietro and I'm the founder of Arkhaane. You might also know me for Bestiarian Fantasy, the page that I created together with my friend Matteo a little more than a year ago. That became one of the biggest communities about fantasy creatures and role-playing games around. We started working on Arkhaane since we wanted to develop a platform that could support and sustain the community of creators while offering a great deal to those who are searching for inspiration and entertainment content without going crazy. As mentioned before, the idea is very simple. You can access all the platform's content at a low fixed price. You will have unlimited access to an ever-growing library of content with just a monthly membership. Additionally, you will also support the creative works published inside the platform. And now you're probably wondering, yes, but what type of content exactly? On Arkhaane you will find adventures, maps for role-playing games, custom creatures, custom equipment, and novels. Yes, you heard right. There will not be only homebrew tabletop RPG materials, but also other types of entertainment content. It's like having an entire library in your pocket. And just to be clear, it's a platform, not a marriage. You can unsubscribe whenever you want. If you click the link below, you will have the opportunity to access in advance in Arkhaane and with the best offer. But what about the creator's experience? First of all, every user can become a creator. Now I'm sure you're going to ask me, thank you Pietro, but what makes a creator so special? As a creator you have the opportunity to earn from the content you publish inside the platform. As a matter of fact, a significant percentage of the platform's earning will be destined to those who create the content. And there is more. We have designed the platform to give creators control freedom, with the opportunity to build their community and support the project with in-platform crowdfunding initiatives. Additionally, Arkhaane will protect your creative work from theft and piracy, reviewing the download stream outside the platform. For those of you who would like to start earning with their creation, I have a simple message. Stop worrying about promotion, theft, and returns on investment and start to focus on your favorite activity. Create. Now click the link below and join our community before anyone else. As a bonus you will receive for free the first part of The Lost World, an extensive adventure that only early supporters of Arkhaane will be able to access. Thank you.